7 power x times 7 power x times 7 power x is equal to 500. Find the value of x. So here in the form of a times a times a is equal to a cube. So it will be 7 power x whole cube. Then here is equal to 500. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So it will be 7 power of 3x, x times 3, that means 3x is equal to 500. Now we apply log in both sides. You can write here log of 7 power 3x is equal to log of 500. Now here we apply this rule, log k power r is equal to r log k. This power move to the base. So this power 3x will move to the base. So it will be 3x log 7 is equal to log of 500 can be written as log of 5 times 100. Now we have 3x log 7 is equal to log of 5 times 100. So we apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 5 plus log 100. Now we divided by log 7 in both sides. So divided by log 7 divided by log 7. We see this log 7 will be cancelled. So here 3x will be equal to this part of log 7 plus this part of log 7. So here log 5 of log 7 plus log 100 of log 7. Now we have 3x is equal to log 5 of log 7. So we apply this formula, log a of log b is equal to log a base b. So it will be log 5 base 7 plus log 100 can be written as log of 4 times 25 of log 7. Now we have 3x is equal to log 5 base 7 plus log of 4 times 25 is same as log 4 plus log 25 of log 7. the next step, we have 3x is equal to log 5 base 7 plus log 4 is same as 2 log 2 over log 7, then here plus log 25 is same as 2 log 5 over log 7. Now we have 3x is equal to log 5 base 7 plus here 2 times log 2 over log 7 is same as log 2 base 7 plus here 2 times log 5 over log 7 is same as log 5 base 7. Now we divided by 3 in both sides because we need the value of x. So divided by 3 divided by 3. We see this 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to here log 5 base 7 plus 2 log 5 base 7 is same as 3 log 5 base 7. Then here plus 2 log 2 base 7 over 3. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. Now to check our equation, 7 power x times 7 power x times 7 power x is equal to 500. So this equation can be written as 7 power of 3x is equal to 500. Now we have 7 power of 3 times x, that means the value of x is this. So here 3 into bracket, the value of x is 3 log 5 base 7 plus 2 log 2 base 7 over 3. So 3 log 5 base 7 plus 2 log 2 base 7 over 3. The value of x, this. Here 3 power of x, that means this, the value of x. Is it equal to 500? Now we see this 3 will be cancelled. So we have 7 power of 3 log 5 base 7 is same as log 5 power 3, that means 125 base of 7. Here plus 2 log 2 base 7 is same as log 2 power 2, that means 4 base of 7. Is it equal to 500? Now here we apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 7 power of log 125 base of 7 times 7 power of log 4 base 7. Is it equal to 500? Now here we apply this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 7 to the power log 125 by 7 is same as 125 times 7 to the power log 4 by 7 is same as 4 is equal to 500. Now 125 multiplied by 4, that means it will be 500. So of course 500 is equal to 500. Left side is equal to right side.